When I started my YouTube journey, I thought it would be simple. Record videos, upload them, and the subscribers would come. But I quickly learned that it doesn't work that way. My very first niche was cooking. I created around 40 to 50 videos, putting in hours of work recording, editing, and even doing voiceovers. But no matter how much effort I gave, my views were stuck. Most of my videos barely crossed 500 views, sometimes 1,000, and only on very rare occasions touched 2,000. Subscribers? Almost none. It felt like all that hard work was going into a black hole. That's when my husband reviewed my channel and gave me some advice that changed everything. He asked me to experiment with lifestyle and personal growth content. At first, I wasn't sure if it would work, but I decided to try. And that one decision flipped my channel's direction. The moment I shifted my focus, people started connecting with my videos. Views increased, engagement improved, and slowly the subscriber count began to grow. After months of struggle, I finally felt some momentum. But even then, reaching my first 1,000 subscribers wasn't fast. It took me a whole year. And the reasons were clear. I wasted a lot of time in the wrong niche, and I wasn't consistent in creating content. Those two mistakes slowed my growth more than anything else. Today, my full focus is on building this channel the right way. And if I can leave you with one piece of advice as a new creator, it's this: don't be afraid to experiment with your niche until you find what clicks. Be consistent, even when growth feels slow. And in the beginning, use YouTube Shorts. Shorts are a powerful way to attract your first wave of subscribers. Once you build that base, start creating long-form videos to build deeper connections. My journey to 1,000 subscribers took a year, but every struggle was a lesson. And if you're on the same path right now, remember, growth may take time, but if you keep learning and keep going, you will get there too.